Hai and Assalamualaikum, my beautiful madam, Puan Nur Azila Yahya, and also everyone. Today we are going to present two topics, which is percentage and ratio and retailing mathematics. So, this is me, Ainur Humaira binti Ainul Hakim, and my group members, Siti Aisyah binti Syahrudin, Muhammad Amir Harid bin Muhammad Azri, and Nurul Husna binti Muhammad Yusof. The term percent denoted by the symbol percent means 100. Thus 25% is simply another way of expression 25 per 100 or 0.25 or 1 per 4. For formula, we use percent increase or decrease in value equal to change in value per original value multiplication 100%. For ratio, a ratio is a way of using fraction to compare numbers. When two numbers are being compared, the ratio may be written in any of three forms, which is 2 to 3, 2 ratio 3, 2 per 3.
The problem statement of arithmetic is Husna retail sells a toy for Rm 1000 and the toys cost her Rm 800. So, find the markup. To find a markup, you must use this formula. SP equal to C plus M. So, the SP is 1000 and the C is 800. So, if you want to find the M, you must 100 minus 8,000 and you will get 200 ringgit. If you want to find in percentage, you must 200 divide by 1000 and multiply by 100 and you will get 20%. The next topic is the problem statement of percentage and ratio. So the problem statement of percentage is calculate the new price of a Rm 5,000 ringgit television and if the price is reduced by 10%. And the problem statement for radio is Rm 3,000 is divided among 3 students, Ahli, Ahmad and Raju, with a radio of 4, 5 and 7. Find the amount of money Ahmad and Raju will get. So next, the solution of the problem statement was percentage. So the solution is 10 divide by 100 and then multiply by 5,000 and you will get is 500. After that, you must plus the 500 and plus by 5,000 and you will get is 5,500. After that, the solution of the problem statement of radio. So, if you want to know the solution of radio, you must plus all the radio, like 4 plus 5 plus 7, and then you will get is 16. After that, the amount of Ali we get is 4 divided by 16 and multiply by 3,000 and Ali will get is 715. The amount of Raju will get is 5 divided by 16 multiply by 3,000 and you will get 932 and 50 cent. 37 ringgit and 50 cent. The amount of Ahmad will get is 7 divided by 16 multiply by 3,000 and you will get 1,312 ringgit and 50 cent.
Next is conclusion for percentage. Percentage are a way to describe parts of a whole. They are bit like decimals except that the whole is always split into 100 instead of tens, hundreds, thousands and so on of a unit. Percentage are designed to make calculation easier. Conclusion for ratio is mathematical concepts that compare an amount to another amount. They can be tricky to understand, but work in a similar way to fraction. They can be useful in many everyday situations, especially if you need to scale a receipt.
The last topic is retailing mathematics.
Retailing consists of the sale of goods or merchandise from a fixed location such as a department store or kiosk, or by post in small or individual lots for direct consumption by the purchaser. Retailing may include subordinate service such as delivery. Purchasers may be individuals or businesses. In commerce, a retailer buys goods or products in large quantities from manufacturers or importers either directly or through a wholesaler, and then sells smaller quantities to the end user or consumer. Secondly is retail pricing. The pricing technique used by most retailers is cost plus pricing. This involves adding a markup amount or percentage to the retailer's cost. Another common technique is suggested retail pricing. This simply involves charging the amount suggested by the manufacturer and usually printed on the product by the manufacturer. And this is the following terms are commonly used in any discussion of retailing. The first one is cost price, the amount paid for merchandise when it is acquired. The second one is selling price, the price at which merchandise is sold. The third one is markup, the difference between the selling price and the cost. And the last one is markdown, the decrease in the selling price of the merchandise.
The conclusion for retailing maths is refers to the math skills that managers and salespeople need to complete job. Store owners, managers, retail buyers, and other retail staff utilize retail mathematics on a regular basis to review inventory purchasing plans, analysis sales data, add on markup, and apply markdown price to plan stock levels in the store. Although most accounting software does the math for you, as a business owner or accountant, you should be familiar with the most popular retail math formula that are used to manage inventory, measure sales performance, determine profitability, and assist in the creation of precise strategy. So, the retail math all have been told off to all of us from our group.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.